Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at how to set a initial value for a number object or sort of like any sort of graphical user interface object. So a sort of a common problem is if we create a number object here and then add it into our space there, and then we might sort of change this to be a number. So we make this into 100. There we go. So now if I save this, we'll save it as test. And then if I close it and open this old one back up, we'll see that it's sort of started with the number 0. So we need some way of possibly setting this to a default value. So the way that we can set up an initial value for this is if we right click and then go to our inspector, and the inspector gives us various data that we can change. And what we need to do is to go to the parameter called parameter mode enable and then click that, and what it will do is it will send you back up to the top, but it now gives you this section here. So now if we click on initial enable and initial, and basically this is a value I want to start this number variable stored in when it opens up. So if I right click on that, and so what we're hoping now is that when the patch starts it will have an initial value of 1000. So if I save this and then close it and open it back up again, you'll see that now it's created the number object and it's initially stored the number 100 in there. So it's not just the number object we can do this with. So if we had maybe something like live gain, let's sort of unlock this live gain, here we go. And again, if we right click and look at the inspector, and then we go down into the parameter section, and again we've got initial enable. If you select that, and then if we set, we'll go -30 dB for this one. So that doesn't change it at the moment, but if I save this patch and then close it and then reopen, we'll see that this object has been created and it's been set up at a default value. So that saves you sort of typing in your numbers every time you run a patch.